然后第二才是。
ეხა ეგ გაშენდა. აბა, რაღაცა იქნება. რა უნდა ის?
Приходимо на аэропорт. Да. Да. Выйти. Лиса, Сван. Micho. Modias. Micho, Modias.
Hey. So I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat something. And there's a bunch of choices of food up here. So I will go find something vegan, hopefully. Should we get a shot of the city? Oh, this is a good view. Wow. I can see the Chronicles of Georgia from here. That's awesome. That means the lake is over there and we can't see the lake from here. There's a bunch of dirt between us and the lake. Huh. Tbilisi is gorgeous. So this is a special ordered vegan Caesar with mushrooms and walnuts and oil and vinegar instead of mayonnaise based dressing. So I want to walk down.
Where you need to go?
Down. I want to walk.
Okay. This time, if you need to walk, you can go like this and street show you.
Down the road?
Yes.
Is there a path?
Yes, yes.
Is
No,
it?
no, not pattern, not a... You just go.
Just the road.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you need to like this, go fly, I don't know this name. Like this.
Cable car.
And inside going and here like this. And
Yeah. Cable car.
If you need this, you can go there.
That's how I
But
came up.
if you need to, I'm here. If you need this one, you can go there.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
want-
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks.
What's your name?
I'm Tata.
Huh?
Tata.
Tata.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Towards the lake. Oh, cool. Zipline guy. That's kind of fun. There's another one. Cool. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, let me check the map and just see. So I'm wondering, I guess I kind of know where I am. I'm on a trail trying to come down from Turtle Lake, just exploring, and I just found this. We'll see where this trail goes. Kind of fun. Hey, I found some sage here. It's a different brand, a different kind, but it smells great. Amazing. This place totally feels like Utah. Just totally, I mean, check it out. It looks just like Utah. There are magpies flying around this place. Just like home, except it's cheap. So I will I'll grab a location point on my map to see where this is. I'm not sure where it is. I mean, in relation to other stuff, I know, but I've never been up here. Like, there's that, right? So it's on the far side of Myntti. And I bet you I've walked down that trail that's right there in front of me, below the tower. I've walked down that. But this is why I want to rent a motorbike. And check out, I mean, look there's 2 cell towers right in front of me. And a fence. So I have to go this way. And this trail, if I had my Loa trekkers on, my good hiking boots, and a walking stick, I would do this. But I'm just wearing these, and that would be kind of stupid to try to, like, I have no idea where this trail goes, and if it goes anywhere, and how easy it would be. So, out exploring on foot, you know? That's what I do. Shoot video and explore on foot, except for cable cars. I explore via cable car. So this trail, coming down from Turtle Lake, is pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you look at the map and you look due north, the trail from Turtle Lake goes off to the right, straight off to the right. And that's what I'm on right now. Vake, just gorgeous. Cool. So I'm finally into civilization. I just came down this dirt right here, and I'm on the ridge from Turtle Lake, and you know, I'm looking at this pipe here, and I wouldn't be a bit surprised if that's not the sewer line from Turtle Lake. Wouldn't be a bit surprised. I don't know for sure, but okay. Hey, check out the dog. Hey. Hi, Pooch. Oh, this is St. George's Church. Ah, okay, this is on the map, actually. Okay. Crazy Soviet infrastructure. These are gas lines. I guess there's some logic to keeping them up. Looks like this building wanted them buried, so they probably paid to have them buried. And they had to be exposed to take feeders off so they can go into the meters and feed these buildings. Nice house. Nice houses. I don't know if these are single dwellings or apartment buildings, but pretty gorgeous. It's a reasonably gorgeous building in a reasonably gorgeous neighborhood. In a reasonably easy place to stay and live. So knock yourself out. Call the number. 995 is the area code.